On the right hand side of the screen, these are all the trades I have taken, and on the left hand side, this is my leaderboard. So far, I have already booked $3,600 in profit, and guess what? I have only lost 2 trades so far. Yes, you heard that right. Just 2 losses. But here's the interesting part most traders don't understand. You don't need to watch 10 different charts to make money. In fact, doing that usually confuses traders and lead to bad entries. Instead, what I do is I focus on just one currency pair that is moving perfectly. When you stick to one pair, you start understanding its behavior, momentum, and patterns much better. And that's when you can take back-to-back high probability trades with confidence. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify that one perfect pair so that you can stop overcomplicating your analysis and start executing smarter trades. So watch this video until the very end, because this small change in your strategy could completely transform your trading result. Right now, I have selected NZD-CAD, and there's a very important reason behind this. After the breakout from my moving average, the market is now moving perfectly in alignment with my strategy. Now look carefully at the left hand side of the chart. As a reference, there are almost no reversal zones in this area. The only major rejection level is the blue line I have marked earlier. This makes the chart extremely clean and easy to analyze, which is exactly what we want as a trader. Since the moving average breakout has already happened and the price is staying above my moving average line, my bias is very clear. I'm only looking for a call entry. But here's the most important part. I'm not jumping into trade immediately. I want to see how this candle closes, especially in the last few 5 seconds. Watch this candle very carefully, because the final 5 seconds often tell you the real story of the market pressure. I'm closely monitoring the candle behavior, and keep your eyes on my cursor. This exact spot is where the candle is rejecting the price, and now you can see something very interesting is happening. There is a strong rejection going on, which tells me that this particular candle can close as a red one, because the candle has done a gap up opening, and this red candle has formed only to fill the gap. Also, the combination of these 2 red candles has completely fulfilled our previous green candle, that is FFLC has happened. So there is definitely going to be a reversal with a green candle. Now pay very close attention to the part, because this is where most traders take mistakes. You can see that these 2 red candles has completely filled the previous green candle. That means FFLC condition is now completed, and the price is still holding above my moving average line. So what does this tells us? It tells us that the market structure is still bullish. Because of this confirmation, moving average breakout, price holding above my MA, previous candle imbalance was filled. I'm very confident that the next candle has a high probability turning into a green one. That's exactly why I placed my call entry immediately at the opening of the candle. Now my next target level is the blue line, which means if the momentum continues, I can even take back-to-back call entries. But here's something very important I want you to understand. Watch how this green candle reacts. Because if this green candle has completely fulfilled my previous red candle, there is equal chance that the market might print one red candle for a small pullback. And now look at this. This green candle has completely fulfilled the previous red candle. However, I've taken my call entry because the market situation is still bullish. But I'm saying that the market has equal chance that it can even print one more red candle. I am fully aware of this situation, but even if this candle closes as a red one, I am ready to take my one-step martingale, because the ultimate target of the market is the blue line, which I have already marked. So traders, this is the exact way you should approach binary option trading, not randomly clicking trades, but trading with structure, confirmation, and clear target. Look at this candle. Now, because of the previous green candle has fulfilled my red candle, the market is reversing, and this is a small pullback. My analysis is clear. I'm going for a call entry back to back as my martingale trade, and I am 100% sure that after this pullback with a red candle, the next target is definitely the blue line. Also, I have noticed one important detail. This detail nobody is going to tell you, but I'm going to tell you. See, this is what support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So right at the closing of the red candle, it closed above the previous red candle, making it a strong support. So because of this, This is one of the reason. Because of this, the next candle should definitely become a green one. So now I want you to pay close attention how this green candle is behaving. Since there is a lot of space, you can take one more call entry, but I will not suggest, because the next candle can go up, strike up upon your target and close as a red one, which is why our target has been filled and I will not be taking any more call entry trade right here. Also, the green candle has fulfilled our previous red candle, so market can reverse. And just like that, on the same chart, I was able to take back-to-back trades. Even though one trade went in loss, my overall analysis was strong enough to keep me on the right side of the market. And because of that, I have managed to book a solid profit of $5,000. Yes, $5,000 of profit with just 2% risks, simply by focusing on one clean chart and following strategy and discipline. I hope this video helped you to understand how powerful a simple, clear strategy can be. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to drop a comment below. And yes, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description box below. I'll be back with more powerful strategies and live trading videos. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and as always, happy trading, guys.